Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to position elements in CSS. We'll start by understanding the core position property, which has 5 key values. The default is static, meaning elements appear in their natural order. Then there's relative, which lets you move an element from its normal position using properties like top or left, without affecting other elements' layout. Next, let's look at absolute positioning. This value takes an element completely out of the normal document flow, allowing you to place it anywhere on the page. You use top, right, bottom, and left properties to set its exact location. Crucially, these offsets are relative to the nearest *positioned ancestor, not necessarily the viewport. Now let's cover fixed and sticky positioning. Fixed elements remain in the same spot on the screen, regardless of scrolling, perfect for navigation bars. Sticky positioning is a hybrid. An element acts relative until it hits a specified scroll threshold, then it becomes fixed to the viewport, offering dynamic behavior. To wrap up, here are some best practices. Always set a parent element to position, relative when you have absolute children inside it. For overall page layouts, consider modern CSS methods like Flexbox or Grid, as they offer more robust and flexible solutions. Remember to thoroughly test your designs on different devices to ensure responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.